Pinterest is rolling out 5 new brand updates to help merchants set up storefronts, generate sales and measure results. Over the last 6 months, the number of Pinterest users who engage with shopping features has grown more than 85%. The first update has been made to allow shopping related searches. Users will now see a list of recommended merchants based on their search. The second update shows merchants to tag images with the products featured, making the shopping experience seamless. The third update was to make the catalogues feature. The interface has been improved to make becoming a merchant much easier. The fourth update includes automatic bidding for shopping to help retailers maximise their budget. Lastly, Pinterest have added a visual tool to show conversion analytics. With more people shopping online, it's important to make the process easy for businesses for getting on board. Don't forget to get these updates straight to your inbox. Subscribe using the link in the description.